So tell me a little bit about your practice. I guess you specialize in bioidentical hormone replacement therapy for women, but you also have the aesthetic side, like lasers, skincare, things like that. So who's the typical patient you see?
Well, we really have three components to our practice. We do have the bioidentical hormone replacement therapy program, which is where we optimize your hormones in addition to your nutrition and some other lifestyle things. The other thing we have is a fairly comprehensive aesthetic practice. We have a multi-platform laser where we're doing skin resurfacing and other photoaging issues. We have laser to do skin tightening. We also have radio frequency to do skin tightening, and we have cool sculpting for body contouring. And then the next thing we have is the stem cell and PRP part of our program, where we try to treat any of your orthopedic injuries, keep you moving well. So when you put all three together, we have the ability to keep you looking good, feeling good, moving good, and we like to term that, healthy aging or graceful aging or optimal aging. And we're all going to get older, but we don't have to feel cruddy as we get older. We want you to feel better and continue to thrive as long as you can. So I hope you're able to come and see us at our practice, and we will do the best we can to make you thrive.